plus 1. That's too easy.
20.
Let's stick with 10 for our instruction, right? And then we can challenge ourselves with 20 a little bit later, okay? So remember, I'm going to show you the number, and you're going to tell me 10 more for this round, okay? 10
means minus?
Nope, 10 more means plus. Great question. 10 more. And then if you see a honk card, what are you going to say?
Honk.
Okay, here it comes. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Here we go.
11.
Yeah, but what's 10 more than
21. 21. 22. 19. 23. 26.
What? 10 more than 6?
26. 26.
No, that's
16.
20 more than 6. There you go.
12. 17. 25. 21. 19.
What? 10 more than 19?
29. 13. Honk!
Ooh, upside down.
25. 14. Honk! 12. 26. 27. 22. 20.
10 more.
26. 26. 11.